Using the Find a Doctor feature on Mycloudclinic is simple and convenient. After logging into the app, navigate to the Book Consultation section. Here, you will find the option to choose between finding a doctor or searching doctor directory. Click on Find a Doctor to begin. Next, select your preferred availability to see a doctor and click Find Me a Doctor. You will also have the option to specify your budget for the consultation. Once you have set your preferences, proceed with payment. Mycloudclinic offers various payment options for your convenience. After payment is completed, the app will automatically search for available doctors who can provide your consultation. Within minutes, you will be matched with an available doctor ready to assist you. Now that's the convenience of Mycloudclinic. Get it today on Google Play Store or App Store.